Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sorry, guys. So, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general reading, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. So we will start with these cards. We have Ace of Spheres, Six of Spheres in reverse, and Ten of Spheres in reverse. So in your situation, Leos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So today that you feel that you don't know how things are going to go, maybe in your relationship or in your career situation, there are a lot of things happening. Maybe you have gained a few things, maybe few projects or your work related whatever decisions or choices you have made, so that has succeeded, but few things have not worked out well for you. So some kind of uncertainty or a chance, you have a chance. Maybe sometimes things may go in a positive way, sometimes in a negative way. So that is what I see, guys. And in your situation today, there is someone quite greedy. They are jealous of you. They are jealous of the way things are with you because of your success or because of your skills and talents. This person is really greedy. They want to grab your opportunities, or they are really envious of you. So you need to be careful, guys. If you are aware or if you have a vague idea who it will be, you need to stay away from this person. So this jealous person may be trying to create problems for you in your situation, in your work situation, or in your relationship. This person may be trying to create problems for you. So, and I also see that you have a very positive card here, guys, this card. So whatever negative things I said, maybe someone's jealousy or there is some kind of an uncertainty, a chance for victory or failure, whatever it is, all that is going to the negative impact is going to reduce in your situation, and you are going to accomplish great things for you, guys. And you need to understand that whatever you choose for yourself with that clear thought, it is going to work out well for you. So your clear understanding or your clear choice is the right thing for you today, and that is what is going to work out well for you in your situation, guys, Leos. Let it be in your work or in your relationship. So that is what I see with these cards, Leos. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Lady of Sons in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, Leos, it may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about them, about this love, about this relationship. So you have someone who is kind, who is really caring, and you may have a level of understanding with this person, but there are certain doubts you have about them, doubts about their intentions. So you need to be really careful with this person, guys. Maybe if they are suggesting you certain things, you have to be really careful, because you, maybe for some of you, I see you in a new relationship, or for some of you, you may not have a good understanding what is there in their heart. So you need to wait before you trust them totally, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is the Fool in reverse. So in your work situation, guys, today You are having a lot of distractions, a lot of things happening in your life, and you are unable to put in your efforts, give your total potential. So something has come up, and it is maybe for some of you it is acting as an obstacle in your situation today, guys, Leos. So that is what I see, Leos, with these cards. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for that Pick a Card Love reading, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with this card here. That is your first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. The Tinderbox Soldier. So with this card, the energy is that maybe for some of you in your situation today, you have a lot of things going on in your mind and you need to make a choice, a wise choice. But the choices you make are going to affect someone in your life, so someone close to you, and that is the reason you are thinking. And if this harsh choice is necessary today for you, and what is the way you are going to benefit or how it is going to affect the other person, and can you live with that choice? So that is what is worrying you today. And maybe the actions we do, we may feel that we are not punished for whatever wrongs or whatever mistakes that we do. We are living happily, but we need to understand that we ourselves know that we have done something wrong in our life. So that is there in our situation. And is it worthwhile to sacrifice our ethics just for some kind of momentary happiness? And can we live with that? Can we live with such sacrifices? Sacrificing our own ethics and ideals and beliefs, whatever we stand for, the good things we have in our heart. So is this choice worth it? Worth giving up all those just for that momentary happiness or joy? So in your situation today, guys, you need to understand that is your ambition getting over you? Is it holding that power over you to decide or make ruthless choices? So you need to think it out clearly, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So in your situation, you are making some harsh decisions for yourself and it is really painful for you. But you need to understand that you can live, you can do things in a much simpler way if you give up your ambitious attitude, guys, in life. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Greet the Dawn. So it not only means a new beginning and fresh start in life, it just means that each and every day is a new opportunity to start fresh. So whatever happened yesterday, today we are getting a chance to do things differently. So the light of a new day is an invitation to shine more brightly with love and beauty onto the world. So it may touch others and warm their day. So you don't have to take on the world, you don't have to strive hard. You just have to do your best and do not force things to happen. So the more you force things, there are going to be a lot of conflicts you are going to face today, guys. So you just need to allow your day to unfold as it is and have that sense of acceptance and gratitude for whatever gifts or challenges each and every day brings in our life. So that is what our attitude should be. The way we welcome each day with happiness, with that open arms, welcoming all those challenges and the joy it brings with that happiness and gratitude. So when we do that, things will change for the better, guys. Our positive attitude is going to change the way things are going in our life, and it is what this card is about. That positive attitude we need to have in our life, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.